Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can connect the Bluetooth wireless headphones to your Panasonic TV. So in this case I'm using Sony WH-XM3, and first of all we have to turn on our headphones. So click and hold the power button and activate the pairing mode. When your indicator on the headphones is blinking quickly, it means that right now it will be visible for the other devices. So right now on our TV we have to go for the menu. Next, when you are right here, we have to go for the setup. It's under the timer. And then we have to go for the Bluetooth setup. Right now, click for the devices to search and set them up. As you can see on my headphones, this indicator, it's still blinking. So it means that the pairing mode is activated and they are visible. So all we have to do, just select our device from the list. And there is the pin code that we have to input. So we have to try 4 times 0 or 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take a look. Okay, in my case 4 times 0, it's working. So yeah, that's how you can pair the wireless headphones to your TV. And there's also one thing, you have to go back and take a look on the sound settings. So go for the menu, on the left side go for the sound, and be sure that it's switched from the speaker settings to your headphones, because right now when I'm gonna turn on the volume, as you can hear, the sound comes from the TV speakers. So go right here, select your headphones and take a look right now. Right now the sound, I can hear it clearly in my headphones. And that's how you can make it. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.